Hello everybody, my name is Barbara Brennan from Badass Cakes. Welcome to my channel. Continuing our keto series, we're going to be making a vanilla keto cake. Light, moist, beautiful. And we're going to be making keto buttercream to go with it and decorating it so it looks like a beautiful celebration cake. Stay tuned. For our keto vanilla cake, these are the ingredients you'll need. 540 grams of almond flour, 225 grams of erythritol. You can use xylitol if you like, I prefer erythritol. 9 free-range eggs, large free-range eggs. 4 teaspoons of baking powder. 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla extract. And 4 tablespoons of melted coconut oil. Those are all the ingredients you'll need for your keto vanilla cake. And I have 2 circles of greaseproof paper that I've cut out for my 8-inch tins. So let's pop our mixture inside our tins. And remember, it's a keto cake, there's no flour in it, so you aren't going to get a big rise from these. The only rise that we have is from the baking powder, and that's not going to let it rise like a regular cake will. So I'm just smoothing the cakes out, pushing it to the sides of the tin with my palette knife. And like I said, these are 8-inch tins. If you wanted to do maybe a 6-inch tin, a smaller cake, you could probably get 3 out of this cake mix and 1 9-inch. There you go. You've made your first keto birthday cake. So these cakes will go into a 325 Fahrenheit oven for about 20 to 25 minutes. That's 325, gas mark 3, or 170 Celsius. And don't forget to write your comments in the description box below. Tell us, did you make it with berries? Did you make it with chocolate chips, coconut, or nuts? What's your favourite? So we're going to start by creaming the butter and the cream cheese on its own, just for about 2 minutes. I'll keep that going. It's very, very smooth. We're looking for a nice, smooth, silky consistency. As slow as possible, otherwise your kitchen will be covered. This erythritol is very, very fine. It's finer than icing sugar, and it goes everywhere. I'm going to continue mixing that for another maybe 1.5 minutes, and once it's mixed, I'm going to add the vanilla. Going to give it a last little scrape down, and then make sure you get to the bottom because I can see butter in the bottom of my dish, and then I'm going to pop the whole thing in the fridge for maybe 10 minutes, bring it out, give it another mix, and then it's done. So to decorate our cake, I put my buttercream in a bag, and I find it easier and quicker doing it this way. You can most certainly use a spoon or your palette knife and run it round that way if you prefer to do that like that. But I like it this way because you get a quicker finish and a nice even swirl. You can see how quick it is to do it this way as well. It doesn't have to be perfect. You just need to get it on there and smooth it out. Make sure it's nice and straight, which I think it is. And of course, this is going to be quite a big cake, but if you wanted to put berries or chocolate chips in between, you can do as well. Nuts, chopped nuts is quite nice. What I'm going to do with this is also go round the outside. So I usually start with filling in any gaps, and I'm just going all the way around on each tier, and then I'm going to smooth it out. I've got my palette knife on the edge, and I'm just smoothing it around. to get a nice even finish. When we get to the top, I'm bringing it in towards me and scraping on whatever you have on the side. It could be a bowl, it could be another palette knife, it could be your spatula. And I'm just bringing the edge towards me just to get it level and to get a nice smooth finish. So my cake's been in the fridge for about 5 minutes. If you do have more time, leave it a little bit longer because you want the layers to set in between. I'm just going to pipe on top to finish it and decorate it with some sliced nuts. And all I'm doing is pressing down with my piping bag and giving it a swirl. Actually, I should make sure that they're even. Which they are. And I have some roasted sliced almonds that I'm just popping on top. Keto birthday cake or celebration cake or vanilla cake, whichever you want to call it. I hope you'll make it. I hope you've enjoyed the video. I hope you'll make the cake. Don't forget to put some comments in the box below. We'd love to hear what you think and what you would like me to make. Don't forget to subscribe, give us the thumbs up if you enjoyed the video, and put your notification bells on, because every time we upload a new video in our keto series, you want to be the first to hear about it. We'll see you soon.